Alright guys, I'm back. So, as you can see, malapit na itong maluto. But before that, just would like to let you know that nilagyan ko siya ng green gram or this is called balatong in Ilonggo. So as you can see, this is the consistency that we're looking for. Hindi masyadong malapot but a little bit lang. And now, we'll be putting in this. Yung sinabi nyo kanina. So, buksan natin. So, hindi siya yung sinigang katulad sa Manila na maasim. We'll just put in a little para may mayroon lang siyang twist or taste ng sourness. So, konti lang. Hindi natin lalagay ito lahat. So, pag matagal ka na nagluluto, matatansya mo na kung ano yung kadami yung lalagay mo. And hopefully, it's okay, no? So, kung mapapansin nyo rin, hindi ako naglagay ng salt kasi yung beef cubes kanina na tatlo is sufficient na para sa saltiness na hinahanap natin sa luto na to. So, we'll try and test this. And pag okay na, then luto na to. So, pipicturean ko ito mamaya to show you kung ano ang final na itsura ng dish na to. And we'll taste this. We'll see. Lasang-lasa. Kansi. So, gotta go. Kain na. Bye-bye.